Welcome to my channel. Today we are in the McDonald's having the BTS meal in US. Oh, I think this McDonald's is also venerated too. So let's see how this gonna order. Okay, let's try here. I don't know. Let's try here. Oh, right here, you see the BTS meal, $7.39. What does come with it? They have large, like, oh, I think just the chicken nuggets and a medium, no burgers, I guess.
If you guys need any help, just let
BTS meal.
Oh, you want the BTS meal?
So how does that work?
Oh,
I'm here for that.
Yeah, so you get to pick. You want the large or the medium?
So no burger?
It's just the 10-piece, and they get the.
Okay.
It's the BTS sauce.
Is there a photo card that we read on the news? They should have some photo card as well.
I don't believe so, no.
Oh no? Oh man. Okay. Thank you. So I guess it's nothing really special. So for the BTS, what else? Cajun sauce or sweet chili sauce? Damn, I think there's nothing really special picking up here, you know? I guess I'll take the Cajun. And then I can
get one of each.
One of each?
Well, I guess get a couple of the meal.
Well, I select two sauce right here. BTS meal, Cajun, sweet chili. What drink? I guess unsweetened tea, maybe. Will my order? Modify. Wait, where's the modify?
Hello.
Oh, right here. Customize. No ice. Save changes. So we ordered 2 chicken nuggets with the new sauce, Cajun and sweet and chili sauce, which is like $16.64. On top, we're gonna use these 2 coupons. Buy one, get one free Big Mac. So yeah, so this trip, I was like waiting for it for a month, but it's nothing impressive in here. No photo card, just a BTS meal and that's it. So I don't think feels special enough to make a trip to here. And since I'm here, might as well just order something for lunch. And no BTS fat on it. So everything is so disappointed. It's having too much high hope. I don't know what to say. I'm just like speechless with this. No BTS on it. Fat, fun, no BTS. We are back home at the McDonald's location we've been to. Again, as I recap, there's no BTS on the bed. This is the 2 BTS meals. Always depressing how McDonald's, we ask for a large fry, they give you a medium size. That's why I personally don't like to go McDonald's in here. I love Wendy's more, by the way. If it's not BTS, you won't see me at McDonald's. And then this is the BTS chicken nuggets. And even the box, there's no word written saying BTS. And obviously, let's take it out. The sauce, I got one of each sauce for each nuggets. So come with 10 pieces of nuggets, fries, either medium size or large. And this is the sauce, sweet chili and written in Korean, and Cajun sauce written in Korean. So I got one of each sauce, and then we'll give it a try. And the drinks, yeah. So overall, this is nothing really standing out. First, I feel like I saw there's other places. I'm not sure if that other places referring to other countries. They put some effort saying BTS, but not in here. So kind of upsetting because I have a lot of high hopes on it, waiting for this for over a month. But the only way I can try it out is the sauce. So let's open up the chili sauce and the Cajun sauce. So let's try it. How come I feel like the Cajun sauce feels like honey mustard? Just a little bit spicier. I don't know. Let me try the sweet and chili sauce, just the sauce itself. Didn't I have the sweet and sour sauce at McDonald's? I think they have some sweet and sour sauce at McDonald's is similar like that. It's just like spicy. So I feel like this is just like sweet and sour sauce upgraded to a spicy version. This is like more like a honey mustard upgraded to a spicy version. But this one is definitely more spicier than the Cajun. So this has Cajun seasoning. The more I eat, the more I can taste like. So I feel like, and this one is very sweet. So compare this to, I personally will pick this one Cajun rather than the sweet what? Sweet chili. Yeah, I like this one better, the Cajun sauce. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.